So let's look at some example problems of multiplying complex numbers. So let's just rewrite this. We have 8 multiplied by 11i plus 2. And we just need to remember that I is the square root of minus 1. And if we do get I squared, which we won't in this problem, but we will in the next ones. If we get I squared, we are squaring the square root of negative 1. Square root and square cancel, and I squared is just negative 1. So to actually multiply these, we're just going to distribute like we would if this was a real number expression. And 8 times 11i, that's just 88i. And 8 times positive 2, that's 16. And of course, we want to rewrite this as a plus bi, since just by convention, we write the real part first and then the imaginary part. So we'll just switch the order. So we get 16 plus 88i. So this will be our final answer for this problem. And let's do some more. So now we're multiplying two complex numbers where each of these complex numbers have both a real part and an imaginary part. So after rewriting these, we're just going to multiply using distribution. So the 1 will distribute to both terms, and the I will distribute to both terms. So 1 times 3, that's just 3. And then we do 1 times minus 5i, which is minus 5i. And then we do plus I times 3, which is positive 3i. And lastly, we do positive I times negative 5i, which is minus 5 times I, or we can just write that as I squared. Since remember, we know I squared is negative 1. So we're going to make a replacement here, since if we can, we want to convert these to real numbers. You won't be able to do that with your imaginary parts, but you can at least combine those and simplify. But if you do have I squared, you can always replace that with negative 1. So we have 3, and then minus 5i plus 3i, that's just minus 2i. We're just combining like terms. And then we have minus 5 times by I squared, and we know I squared is negative 1. And lastly, rewriting this, we have 3 minus 2i, and then minus 5 times negative 1, that's just positive 5. And so we can combine like terms again. We can combine our real numbers. And 3 plus 5, that's just 8, which we'll write first just by convention. So our final answer is this 8 minus 2i. And we can keep going. It's good to get a lot of practice with these. But like I mentioned, the main idea is that they are very similar to multiplying with just real number expressions. So we're going to distribute again. So minus 2 will distribute to both of these. And then the minus 3i will distribute to both of those. So minus 2 times minus 5, that's 10. Minus 2 times minus 2i, that's positive 4i. And then we distribute the minus 3i. So minus 3i times minus 5, that is positive 15i. And then minus 3i times minus 2i, that is positive 6i times I, or just I squared. And we know that I squared is negative 1. So we can make a substitution there. So we get 10 plus 4i plus 15i. Those can be combined. So that's plus 19i. And then we have plus 6 times negative 1, which 6 times negative 1 is just minus 6. And I'll write that next to the other real part. So 10 minus 6 plus 19i. And simplifying one last time, 10 minus 6 is just 4. So when multiplying these, their product is 4 plus 19i. And let's do one final example. So for this one, I'll just rewrite it. Minus 2 minus 4i is multiplied by 1 minus I. So we're going to, again, use distribution. So the minus 2 will go into both terms. And of course, the minus 4i will go to both terms. So minus 2 times 1, that's minus 2. Minus 2 times negative I, that's positive 2i. And we get minus 4i times 1, so that's just minus 4i. And minus 4i times by minus I, so that would be positive 4i times I is just I squared. And now we can make our substitution since we know I squared is -1. And we can combine these like terms here. So we get -2, and then plus 2i minus 4i, that's minus 2i. And we get plus 4 multiplied by -1. And simplifying, we just rewrite -2 minus 2i, and this is -4 when we multiply. And combining like terms, -2 minus 4, that's -6. And -2i. We write the real part first, and then the imaginary part second. So this will be our final answer.